pagudpud ay nakaragagsak. Tagaan na duras, bantay ken talon, angin tiyam yanan amang tagtibyan. Pasingketan, sangayetan pagudpud tagyan. Pay kayo nagkay sa tayo, natanok nga ilimi pagudpud.
Taxi to Pagudpud, please.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Pagudpud. I'm Lina, your tour guide. I will take you to the different amazing sceneries of our place.
Thank you. I'm Jack, and I'm excited to see the wonders of Pagudpud.
Let's go, Sir Jack!
Welcome to Pagudpud. I am your guide. Come walk with me to see our wonders by land and sea. Pagudpud is where you're meant to be. Let's feel the breeze and see the giant windmills down by the shore where the wind blows free. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Oh, aniyan ang nagpintas, nadayag at nag-iti bye-bye. Napintas ang molino iti windmills, kaparipis ang daming ti umiling. To Kapigan Falls we go, walk the trail beneath the trees. Feel the cool and gentle breeze, a hidden gem for you to see. At dati ko'y ragsakalak and ayap, nature's beauty shining bright. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Iliya Pagudpud, nalasmang ken nalimnom. Pagudpud, awan iti kaparis na, daydayawen ken itantanok baka. At Saud Beach, the sand is white, golden sunset, pure delight. Let your worries drift away, feel the calm at the end of the day. Tegen ti alon iti bye-bye, a peaceful place that you'll adore. So good Pagudpud, sika iti kangayetan. Ili a Pagudpud, itantanto tumiti dayag mo. From shore to shore, we proudly say, Pagudpud will shine forever and a day.
Lina, I'm so amazed to see and experience the beautiful places and people of Pagudpud. How I wish I could stay with you forever, but I have to go. Goodbye, Lina.
Jack! Jack! Come back!
Zero, 9, 3, 6, 6. Ito nagsarak ka, kung sila man ka. Ipasuling tutoy matak, akong itaken ka. Sakto pa'y pangatong ken ipababa. Kastanto pa nang iparik na. Anapiyagak nga awan ka.
Jack! Ang sublikan!
Lina!
Jack!
Lina! I have something to say to you. I'm sorry that I left you before. I'm in love with the places. I love the people. And most especially, I'm in love with you. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, yes!
Ipagpananakel nga agnanayon, iliminat mo ang kinabaknang, nasinaw nga paypay.